Hello everyone and welcome to Opnbi. I am Rima here. In this video, I am going to show you customer order service dashboard. After logging in the Opnbi, click on the hamburger menu and select the dashboard. Here you can see the list of available dashboard. In that, select the customer service dashboard and open it. Some of the features of dashboard are explained there in a detail like order, sales, and detailed data. This dashboard is available on the marketplace. You can download from there, and if you wish how to download the dashboard from Opnbi marketplace, the link is provided in the description. Customer order service dashboard. In order tab, there are 4 KPI key performance indicator, 4 widget and 7 filter used. Country KPI, it displays the total number of country and there are total 469 product. Total order was 1232. Total number of customer is 749. Category wise total order. This widget gives information about the total order by product category like furniture, technology, office supplies. Furniture has total order 142. Total order by year. This widget gives information about the year-wise total order. In 2019, total order was 80%. In 2020, 22.89%. In 2020, 58.15%. And in year 2020-22, total order was 0.94%. Order by delivery place. This widget gives information about the delivery by its location like home office, corporate, consumer. Most of the order deliver at consumer place. Order by customer name. This pivot widget gives information about the product order by customer name. Like Echo 3 product name is like Echo 3 hole puncher, binder covers, binding machine, index tab. When you click on particular product name, it gives information about the customer who buy this product. There are total 7 filters used in order tab. Country, it displays the list of country name. Product filter displays the list of product name. Customer, it displays the customer list. Service type of services like economy plus, economy, immediate and priority. Category filter display the category of product like office supplies, furniture, technology, order date and ship date. This filter gives the details of order date and ship date by customer name. For example, I want to see particular country wise order. So click on the country filter. Here I am selecting Norway country. So click on that. So here you can see all the detail of Norway country. Like category wise total order, order by delivery place, yearly total order, order by customer name. So it gives all the detailed information about the Norway country. You can use all the filter as per your requirement. Now click on the sales tab. In sales tab, there are total 2 KPI key performance indicator, 5 widget and 7 filter used. It displays the total profit. In total sale KPI display the total sale. This widget gives information about the sales versus profit by country name. For example, Sweden country has total sale was $80,159 and profit was $3,521. Italy, Spain, Portugal, Netherlands, Ireland, Finland, Denmark. Year-wise total sale. This widget gives information about the yearly total sale. In 2019, sale was 16.56%. In 2020, 23.55%. In 2021, 59.35%. And in 2022, 0.54%. Sales versus profit by category. Category is like office supplies, furniture and technology. Year-wise total profit. It displays the yearly total profit. In 2019, profit was 16.09%. In 2020, it is 23.52%, in 2020-21 59.66%, and in 2020-22 0.74%. Products sell by countries. This analysis widget gives information about the total product sell by country. Product is like hole punch, binder, staples, box cutter. In Austria, total 85 Ecos rubber band are sold. There are 7 filters used in the sales tab: country, customer, category, product, service type, order date, and ship date. Country filter gives information about the country, name of country. Customer filter gives the information about the customer name. Category filter gives the information about the product category. Product filter gives the information about the product name. Service type filter gives the information about the types of services like economy, economy plus, immediate, and the priority. Order date and ship date. Order date gives information about the when the order placed, and ship date gives the information about when the order was shipped. For example, I am selecting category filter. Here you can see the office supply, furniture, and technology. If you want to see furniture total detail information, to select the furniture filter. It will give all the detailed information about the furniture sales and profit. Click on clear filter. Now go to the detailed data. In detailed data, there are 7 filters, 1 widgets, and 1 report used. Detailed data will give all the detailed information about the product order, like order ID, order date, customer name, city, country, region, segment, ship date, shipping mode, stat, longitude, latitude, product name, type, discount, sales, profit, quantity, category, and subcategory. There are total 7 filters used in detailed data. It is same as order and sales tab. Sales report, it is a BIRT report. In sales by country, it displays the list of country and total sale of that particular country. So click on the Austria, it will redirect you on a order details. In order detail, you can see the country name, order ID, customer name, quantity of the product, order date, and ship date. So if you want to see delivery receipt of the customer, click on order ID. It will redirect you on a delivery receipt page. Order ID, customer name, product, quantity, and price. That's all about customer order service dashboard. Thank you for watching this video.